This tutorial will be going over payments, how to set new and approve payments, how to check the status, how to export and change settings, and taking payments using the mobile app. So from the home page here, you simply have to go into reports, click down to payments, and this is on the back office system. And here you have all the previous reports of payments. Here's the one we did just before in the last video, 20 seconds, the date today by Rajiv. On route 1, there's the reference and the amount, the total there. Here you can see there's payment status, and this is set to draft. If you click on it, you have a full overview with all the details such as the payment time, when it was collected, the branch, and the payment and how it was taken. So as you can see here, it was taken in cash there. And on the back office system, as an admin, you would then just need to approve the payment, and you can see that the status has changed to approve. There are more options, so if you click there for instance and highlight that one, you could choose to approve payments, or you can even add manually a payment in here and just search customers for instance. Select the branch, add a reference, payment date, who it was paid by, the branch again, route, and all of this, and the cash amount, whether it's check, credit card, and include the totals there. So another thing you can do here, if you see under this Actions tab, under these dots, you could obviously view it again, or you could choose to apply to invoices. And here you'd see the payment amount and the invoice, and you would just add to either one. If you notice, if you click the amount, the system will only allow you to go up to the invoice balance there, so you don't overcharge or oversend for invoicing, and you simply just need to apply there. This invoice and it's ready. All you need to do, you have the options on this Actions drop down to export to a CSV file. You could choose to invoice it there, and or equally if you chose multiple, you could choose to bulk invoice. Now if I show you one last setting here, you can choose to change export settings just here. So as explained in an earlier video, this is so you can just customize the invoicing, so you can choose which areas to include or exclude from the invoice to the customer based purely on preference. So as you can see by certain asterisks, there are certain details that are necessary that you have to input, otherwise you simply just unclick there. Now that we have this invoice and its status is ready to be invoiced, you simply click on it and your admin team can choose to generate a PDF, which brings up all the details in one simple copy for filing and organizing, and then you would just choose to invoice the customer. And there you see it's marked green as invoiced, and again here status has changed, and you can now download the invoice PDF. Similarly, see here under this exported section, once you export to a CSV file, you get the downloaded copy down here. No need to manually create all of these files either, the system will do it for you. And as you can see, all the contact details and the necessary invoicing information, and it's been marked as exported. Okay, so now the driver is using his handheld device. I'll just show you for it as an example. Choose this customer. Because we've already completed the delivery, so it brings up the site visit summary just so you can check over. Got today's bill, any returns, any upsells, any van sales, any discounts if they've been applied, which they have not. And we got the payment there, starting balance, the bill, and the ending balance there, as well as any credit limits they might have. You can take cash payments, check, and credit card, and you simply just manually put in the numbers there. The driver would then sign it and sign with his name as well.